guys, welcome back to XCHOU channel. So today I will make the tutorial to make this food named green grass jelly. Green grass jelly is a jelly that made from green grass jelly grass. Okay? The benefit of green grass jelly is to prevent cancer, blood circulation, reduce fever, stabilize blood sugar level, overcome high blood pressure or other words are hypertension, overcome disorders of stomach, overcome digestive problems such as diarrhea, overcome a sore throat and other diseases. Not only disease, it even can refresh people. Okay, without lingering any longer, we will go straight to the tutorial. First of all, we will pick the green grass jelly leaf. Here I use only 10 sheets. Then we clean it first. Okay, now we've entered to the processing session. First of all, we will separate the leaf from the stalk leaf. Actually, if friends don't want to separate the leaf stalk, not a problem because separating the leaf stalk is actually just a way to make it the result of the grass are cleaner. Then we will enter the session of making the grass jelly. Okay, the ingredients are 500 ml of warm water, and after that we mix until the mucus and also the color of the leaf can come out. Well, the result will be like this, guys. Then we move it to the smaller container and put it to the refrigerator. Okay guys, here the green grass jelly is finished. I left it all day in the refrigerator. I will make the tutorial now how to consume the green grass jelly, guys. Here I have prepared ice cube, the grass jelly, brown sugar, okay, and the glass. First of all, we're going to take the jelly using a cup and we'll transfer it to the container filled and the ice cube. Then we add brown sugar and finally we add the coconut milk. Great guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.